This is what pulls me in and keeps me going. And I be wanting to walk away. I'm like, I'm done, man. I'm gonna walk away. Or I'm gonna do something else. I'm gonna stop talking about her. And then as I'm done, I just literally, the video I'm editing right now, I just got done recording the clips. I'm going to go edit them right now. And as I'm going into YouTube to put something in the background to listen to as I edit like I usually do, I see this pop up. Great information. You should have more subs than this. I just subbed. And I totally agree. Thanks. I feel the same way. The struggle is real. Laugh out loud. It's definitely real. Thanks for subbing and commenting. And now I'm gonna reply and I'm gonna hit that back. If you go down here, I got other comments. Good. Comment there. This is what keeps me going. Y'all engagement. Y'all showing me. Somebody try to play me right there. I don't know. This is a whole female conversation. I was going to light them up, but I'm like, nah, let me, you know what I'm saying? You don't got to do that. I left a good comment. And I didn't stop him. That's another thing I forgot. I'm glad I came back in here too. She's blocking y'all comments, man. All her comments are good comments. You see how he tried to say something a little shady, but I didn't block it. I liked it because it's open conversation. Say how you feel. That's why the views are trash. Let that woman do what the F she wants. She ain't take a dime out your pocket. Can't believe grown man got your panties in a bunch. Then I had to go set the record straight. What's going on? If you watch DoDash videos, today is going to be a really special video because I'm taking the gloves off. DoDash, I saw what you did, and I seen what you did in your last video, and I feel like you watched my video, and I feel like you tried to sneak diss me. I also feel like you try to take it to a chess level. You try to sneak diss me in a way that's only we can know through YouTubers, because you did a title. You don't do those kind of videos. You don't talk about RPM, CPM, and SEO. Where did that come from? Now, there's other people that's talking about you, but I've been the one talking about views and things and stuff like that in the back office. So now all of a sudden you come out with this video. And then the crazy thing about it is this is what made me came back. I mean, this is what made me say, you know what? I'm not saying I'm done because I really want to help y'all, but I'm kind of done because what I saw today made me realize I don't think we can win, y'all. And I need y'all help. I need your help. I don't think we can win because there were so many people in our comics section. I'm going to show y'all. Watch this video. It's going. Gloves is off. I'm about to dive into so many things in this video for the length of however long it lasts. We got to keep it short because they won't click it if I don't. But I'm going to show you stuff that they're not showing you and why she's lying to y'all. And she don't care about y'all, man. We got to stop sugarcoating it, man. Do you lie to people you care about? Do you lie to people who you are trying to really push out there and you want the best for them? You're telling people lies, DoDash, and I'm tired of it. And after I saw that there's one video I saw, and this is the thing about you, DoDash. When I saw your video, I tried to give you the benefit of the doubt a few times because I kept saying to myself, maybe she doesn't know that part. Maybe she's just trying to share with the people what she knows and what she's learned, and that's what she's trying to do. And the other parts that she's kind of glossing over or whatever, maybe she just doesn't know those parts. But then as I continue to listen to you, because it's not the big things, it's the small things you pick up on. And me and you are similar in a lot, because I can manipulate people if I wanted to. I could. I worked in a lot of jobs where I convinced people to do a lot of things. So therefore, I know I can manipulate people. The difference is I never wanted to, and I despise people that do that. And I'm not saying I despise you. I just think it's a really ugly way to try to take advantage of people. You don't have to take advantage and get over on people to get over in life to win. Now, some people, that's all they know, but let's continue so I can show you proof. What am I going to show you in this video? I'm going to go to your YouTube channel and show you some things that she's doing that you cannot do. She's lying about. We're going to talk about easy mode. I'm going to look up easy mode in real time and show you easy mode and show you how it's changing from people. I'm going to show you what a real YouTube channel looks like and what you're probably going through. And I'm going to show you another channel that's using a lot of DoDash stuff and where I see myself at, and I kind of don't want to go in that direction. And it kind of makes me feel bad because part of me feels like I'm giving up, but I know that I'm not because there's bigger things that's going on here and I want to really help people. And if I keep talking about these DoDash videos, now she did something else that's actually making it hard for me to kind of stay in there and is making the gap go so far that I don't think I can keep up. I can't keep up unless I have y'all help. I need your help. I'm going to share some stuff with you in this video. They're not going to talk about it. They don't even know to talk to you about it. But I'm going to show it to you right now. So watch the rest of this full video. On top of that, keep me in the algorithm. I need you to comment below. Let me know if you don't think I know what I'm talking about, or let me know if you agree. Let me know if you're on a DoDash side of things, or let me know if this is crazy to you. What made me even get on the whole DoDash train is they said she got 50,000 subscribers in a period of 3 to 4 weeks. So I wanted to go back and say, what video was it? When did everything turn where that video clicked off and she took it and ran with it? Because that's what she did. That's how YouTube works. And I'm going to prove it to you and I'm going to show it to you. But the difference is it doesn't work for the majority of us like that. And I'm going to show you proof. So if you want to know ways that DoDash is lying to you, because I know a lot of y'all are cheering for her and you're just going to cheer for her to the end. And this is the thing. This is the danger. She's programming people in advance on things and topics that she doesn't know about. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into a situation with a closed mind. For example, she just did a video. Now let's pull this up, man. We're not playing. Look, she just did a video right here. RPM, CPM, SEO, you're worried about the wrong thing. Worried about the wrong thing, that's what YouTube is. There's other parts to it. Watch time is really what it is. Click-through rates is really what it is. If you don't get those, you won't get there. Now, in your case, what's different about you is you're to a point to where people just want to see what you're going to say. All you have to do is make a catchy enough title and put up a picture of yourself and they will click on you because they already know who you are. They will click on it if the title is interesting. And not only that, you have enough subscribers to where no matter what you put up, some people are going to show up and they're going to show up fast. When you put your video up, depending on how fast you get your views, YouTube looks at how many views you get in the first hour, how many views you get in the next 2 to 3 hours. It gauges all of that. And it determines what videos it's going to push right now. Sometimes later on, it can push a video. Like my channel, this is fact. I've had videos that I put out that did not get views at first. 2-3 days later, they popped. They popped because they got clicks. And when they got clicks and they got watch time, YouTube said, wait a minute, there's something here. They're watching it. Keep pushing it. And regardless whether all that stuff didn't matter or not, I still got pushed, which made me realize the YouTube and tags and all that stuff matters until you get on the homepage. And once you graduate to the homepage and you're there, you can do almost anything you want and you will get views. And that is where DoDash is right now. She can put up whatever she wants. She can put up whatever title she wants. But the thing is, it's even worse than that because she's strategically putting these titles up. This title, Revenue Update, my largest one yet. Now, if you've been following, you know she makes money. So you're going to, oh, your largest one. I got to see how much money she made. Let me click. And then her views were dying down at first. She was getting 3K, 47, 49, 39, down a little bit. So let me, get them back in. Let me reel them back in, talk about the money. I don't know what I'm talking about. Let me go back to this video. YouTube paid me, you talk about money, 8K views. Anytime you talk about the money, YouTube AdSense, 11K. Before that, 5941. Look at this one. Post daily videos, 2.9. Before that one, look, oh, do this if YouTube money slows down, 14K views. Where are the majority of the views coming from? The majority, the big views. When she talks about YouTube and she talks about money. When she posts regular stuff, she still gets views, but she doesn't get as many views. Now, can you do that? No, you can't. Not only that, and like I said, this video I feel like was a direct shot at me. So we go to my channel. Let's go to my channel real quick. If you haven't seen these videos, you want to make sure you watch them. This is my playlist here on my most viewed videos for DoDash. And these are the other ones where there's a full list of other videos I've done. Now, these didn't pop, and I know why they didn't pop, because they were too long. I was trying to pack so much information, and this one I got so much love, and I got so many views. I said, oh, they feeling me. Let me give them more information. So I came back dropping information, but the problem was those other videos didn't kick off as fast because the lengths were too long. The average DoDash videos, DoDash is doing videos ranging from 5 to 7 minutes, maybe 8-9 minutes, sometimes maybe 12-15, and she's less than that. So if you're doing videos double that, you better know what you're talking about. And again, I'm too new in the algorithm as far as these videos, but I still broke through the algorithm to get those views. Now, when you go up here, this is where I succeeded. This is my first video, then I figured out what to do in the next one. This is one of my most recent videos. Then this is another one, and these ones should actually catch up more. But what I started realizing is, this is Authentic Talk Podcast, who I started watching recently. And I've noticed, if you look at him, he's got 3,000.17K subscribers. Now, I'm not sure if he's monetized. He's got the subscribers, but as far as the watch time, maybe not. Now, if you go down to his channel, there's times he was talking about certain things on his channel, but if you look at the most recent views and most ones he's talking about, what is it? DoDash, 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 DoDash. Some of them, then he didn't talk about her. Then there's Dodash. So, you know, when he's getting down on views, he bounces back talking about Dodash, which again, I don't knock him because it's helping him get views and eyeballs to his channel. It's helping it get discovered. And he has something to add to the conversation. Anybody can talk about Dodash. This is YouTube. If you have something to add to the conversation, you can. The problem is when you lie to people and you give them information about you can do this and you can do that and you're going to get this and that's going to happen. Let's get back on Dodash. You're not out the hot seat. Let's go to this video. She talks so much about RPM and CPM and SEO and how you don't need to worry about that. So in this video, not even 10 minutes long, you can't even begin to talk about RPM, CPM, and SEO. And this is the danger. Let's first look at the danger. 421 likes, 2,809 views, and there are going to be more. And this is the real problem. Look at the comments. I see why the experts don't like you. This is gold. This is gold. Congratulations. Focus on your audience. This is the thing. All these comments down here. And I'm not flaming y'all because you don't know what you don't know. Focus on your comment. Focus on your audience. What audience? Are you new to YouTube or not? Do you have an audience yet or not? So how can you make content for your audience that you're trying to build? You're trying to build your audience. So you're making content for the audience that isn't there. And if you don't have evergreen content or SEO information where they can find you, that video falls off of the YouTube grid, never to be seen again, because there's no way for anybody to find it. SEO matters. Unless you get to the level of where Dodash is at and YouTubers at that level where they know who you are and it doesn't matter who you are. They don't have to put SEO up. All they have to do is put up the title, what the video is about, and put up their picture, and you're going to watch because you're already in their algorithm and you're already going to tune in already because she broke past that point, which most of us don't get past. If you put up a video, the same title she does, you won't get the views and you'll be sitting here wondering why. Or they'll say, well, just stay consistent. This is the other thing too. She's been doing this for years. Her channel has more power than yours. If your channel is new, it's hard to break through the algorithm when you have a new YouTube channel or when you have a troubled YouTube channel. When you posted and then you left and you came back and then you left and you came back and you left and you came back. YouTube doesn't like that. They're not about to hit you with a bunch of views. You're not reliable. They want people to stay on the platform. So when you're reliable, when you show up consistently over time, when they know that you're reliable, then they'll push more people to you. And there's different times where they test your channel. You'll get a video that will pop. And if you do what's right, you can build off of that. But some people don't. Some people get that and then it goes away. Do you know what to do to capitalize on that? Dodash, I was not able to find the video where which one made her pop to get this far. Also this, look at this. No description. No description, no tags. You will be buried at the bottom of YouTube if you do this. People will tell you it doesn't matter, but the thing is, I'm telling you because I'm behind the scenes, it does matter. When you're new and nobody knows what you do, and when YouTube doesn't know where to categorize you, and this is the thing, she's Dodash. All these videos where people are making Dodash, you're making people curious about her, including me. So when they go to find her, she is the keyword. She's not trying to rank for Dodash. She is Dodash. She is the keyword. So she's going to always rank at the top of her videos. On top of that, look at this. She's posting more frequently now. 3 videos a day, 2K views, 9.6K views, 6.7K views. So when she posts multiple times, that's 3 times she's going to hit the algorithm and suck up all the views. Again, it is about her. She is Dodash. But what I'm saying is if a person like me who's trying to get you knowledge and give you value, if all this is at the top of the algorithm, things that she's spewing, which is misinformation on how you get here and how you do this, which is not true. Some of the things that she may have done that got her there, but that's old stuff and played out. A lot of stuff that she's telling you, man, trust me. Talk to any YouTuber. Go to any YouTuber channel. A description, a title, and just a picture. There's an AI algorithm, the AI. How's it going to know where to push you? She can do that because she knows that you're going to come see her, so she doesn't have to do it anymore. The rest of y'all need to, but she's going to tell you, oh, just be easy mode. That's okay. You don't got to do that. Look, she did this video. Y'all take content creation way too serious. That's misinformation. You need to take it serious. And then you have people out here that'll do what she says, then they'll fail, they'll burn, they'll crash, they'll be mad. Then they'll be like, she's a scammer, she just lied, she's only about the money, but they figured it out too late. And then they find people like me and other YouTubers who are trying to help them make money online, do good on YouTube, build with them, and they'll look at me as a scammer before they even know me, because that's what they do. They don't give you a chance. They put you all in the same box. That's why I had to come on here to try to help people, but I feel like it's too late, because when you look at a video like this, and she can say the stuff that she said about RPM doesn't matter and doesn't matter this, just focus on your audience, and then just the stuff that you try to you buy, talk about that in the different stores, those are sponsors. Sponsors aren't going to hit you up. Sponsors can hit you up when you know how to properly endorse and show something. It is about views, but it's about the right kind of views. And also, some companies, they're just not shady like that. If you're coming off shady, they're not going to want you to endorse anything. And there has to be, and everybody's not going to be able to do that and get to that point. I'm not trying to tell you that you can't accomplish what you want in life. What I'm trying to tell you is be realistic. And because you don't know certain things, and you see so many people cheering for her, and so many people want to believe what she's saying because they want it to be easy. They want everything she's saying to be exactly what it is so they can go and do it. And then when they go and do it at first, they might get a little traction. And then after a while, everything falls apart. And then they don't know what happened. And then you start to see the differences in her. She did that whole, look at this video. Clickbait to the fullest. Just got evicted. Now, somebody else got evicted, her neighbor. But she could have just put, oh, my neighbors got evicted. There's a reason she didn't put that. Because if we just saw you talk about money, and you talked about more money, YouTube has paid me more than I've ever made in my entire life. Now you just got evicted? What happened? You just made all the money. You shouldn't be evicted. You know what? I got to click to find out what happened. That's clickbait. And in the first couple seconds, you know what she says? Oh, you know what? My neighbor, blah, blah, next door, they leaving, and I feel sad. First she says, I feel sad, and my neighbor's leaving. And then you realize it's not her that got evicted, it's her neighbor. Now, if you're her true fan and you just watch her, you just go ahead and long run with it. But for the people that click there that thought maybe she got evicted, you like, oh, here she go with the clickbait, and you click off. When you click off, that hurts your retention, that hurts your views, hurts your videos. But the thing is, with DoDash, she's gonna get so many views, it's not gonna matter. She can afford to get the drop off because the views are gonna come, and that's why it has 9.6K views. From the clicks and the drop offs, plus the people that actually watch. The people that actually watch will give the video a push. Now, if you tried that, the majority of most people would click off. Trust me, we're definitely getting ready to turn up more. Hopefully you got some value out of what you just saw. I realize that I'm reaching y'all. It's taking some time, but one by one, y'all are out there, and there's value that I had to share with y'all. Stay tuned, man. A lot of things gonna happen on this channel. I'm still gonna talk about DoDash because I can't go out like that, man. I can't leave y'all like that, but I can't make you be my focus either unless y'all ride with me. But salute to all the subscribers, 407. We on our way to 1,000, man. Also, I'm getting ready to go live. I'm gonna start going live. That's one of the cheat codes right there too. When things don't work the way I want, I don't just keep doing wrong things. I find a way to get what I want. That's what everything. Get prepared for part 2 and part 3. It might just be a part 2. It might be a part 3. We'll see. I had a lot of stuff I was dropping in there. So it might be 3 more parts, but it's coming.